has to be perfect. It doesn't flow.
The second chorus, we do everything on the other side. So it is a Sunday morning. I start teaching heavy metal hose at 12 o'clock. It is 10 a.m. Classes are happening. I'm in my second little room and I'm going to choreograph the routine for today. I have chosen the song Outshined by Soundgarden. I feel inspired. I'm wearing my Outshine collection, my silver sparkle. So I can't choreograph without my shoes. I actually don't even want to pole dance without my shoes. So because they act like, you know, a drum. First thing I do is I visualize what I want to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dun dun da 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 da. Because I know it so well, I can pause it without having to pause it on my phone. So it's a bit of a challenge because it has an odd timing, and I think that's what's cool about heavy metal. Sometimes they like to make it a little bit different, and this song is actually in 7, so I think it's a good challenge for the students to kind of try something different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dun dun dun
It doesn't flow. And sometimes I overcomplicate things to challenge people, but I think it's better to keep it simple and let it flow.
Pirouette, right hand high, drag your foot, step and step. Roll, roll.
Bump, bump. Oh, that's kind of cool. Bum, bum, ba-da-da.
Thread this foot through into this cool little lunge, then slide, then knee, knee.
Down. Oh, yeah. So I'll do a spinning pie there, I think.
And the spins always fill up a lot of time, which is good. So the verse is done. For the second verse, that's cool. What did I do? Split, Minnesota. Kick, roll over. Try and angle yourself this way. Hands, kick, lift up.
So we're here. My thoughts, I started here and I haven't done anything on the other side, so I would like to get to this side, you know, do both sides. So how do I get up to that side? So now you know, ooh, gets mystified. It needs to be strong because it's the chorus. I can heel clack, but I just don't feel this is a heel clacking. It's a heel clack, you gotta wait for the drums, like the heavy part. Show me the power, child. I'd like to sue. I'm trying to be complicated. Show me the power, child. I'd like to say. No. Yeah. Show me the power, child. I'd like to say that I'm down on my knees today. Cool.
outshined, 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 outshine, boom, boom. Sometimes the floor work sequences take me forever because it's got to be perfect. There's a lot of diamond clacks. You got to hit the heel bangs on the right beats. Outshine, 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 outshine. Has to be perfect. Yeah. Ready for the second verse? Okay. I think about what choreography did I do in the first verse? Can I repeat it? Or do I do a spin there? But I've completely forgotten, so now I'm going to go back to the beginning. Damn, what was it? So I don't usually put inverts and crazy tricks in the routine. I try and make it all dancey. And I think the biggest challenge today is going to be doing the chorus sequence on the other side. Woo! Bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum, bum, bum. Give me the butterfly, give me a way that I'm up on my feet again. I think it's awesome. I can give them the option to freestyle in the last chorus. Freestyle! I do have a very distinct style, and I do want everyone to be able to feel like they've accomplished something, but also feel challenged. This routine is definitely for, I would say, low intermediate and above, because it's fast and it's hard to keep up. But once it becomes predictable and familiar, then the girls get it straight away, and then it's a really good workout, and then we just repeat, 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 and you end up sweating and having fun and feeling sexy and confident. Yeah, it's pretty solid, I would say. Thank you for watching.